Hey fam, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. I have a taste for a Greek salad. As Greek as I can get it today. I don't have all of the ingredients, but I have some. So I'm going to start off with my lettuces here in my hydroponic systems. They're 30 days old. They're mature. So I just go around and pick some of the older, the bigger leaves, and then it will grow from the center. New leaves will occur in the center. So don't cut the whole plant off until it's spent. This is pretty much the first harvest from this plant here. This is one pod. I don't know if I'm in y'all's way. So we're going to get this. And how I like to have my salads, I have like 50% lettuce and 50% cruciferous vegetable. Like if I have a cabbage, red cabbage, or any other kale or some other cruciferous vegetable. Look at that already. See? And you keep, let me see, I'm going to take that plant. Then here's some like red oak leaf lettuce over here. Let's take some of that. These are beautiful. These are the tastiest lettuce I've had in a long time. You don't get this flavor in the stores. And I just put it in a bowl. I got something from the deli, from Kroger. So I just use this bowl to harvest in, and then I rinse them off. No pest pressure at all. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of that one. Let's see. So you keep it, so it grows. See this new growth here? It's already growing new leaves. So in the next couple of weeks, you'll have more lettuce. Let's see. Let's get some of these young ones. These are going to be my microgreens. Highly nutritious at this stage. All right, so we'll keep that. Anything else? Let's see. That's good. Look at this. Did you get this in the stores? Oh, it'll shrivel up in a day or two. Okay guys, I just finished washing my lettuce that I grew from my hydroponic garden, and it is so fresh and delicious. So you guys saw me harvest it, so I just soaked it, rinsed it real well, even though it hasn't been outside, hasn't been in any dirt, no pest pressure. I'm just used to washing stuff off. So I just put it in my salad spinner to get all of the moisture off of it. See that? You know, this would be, nowadays, this would be $4. Just this part right here. $4, you go to the store. So, put it there. Oh, that's beautiful. So that's the base of our salad. My first job was at Ponderosa Steakhouse in the 70s. My first job was a salad girl, so I still love salad. Okay, so here it is. So I'm gonna put some English cucumber on it. I'll put finish all of this. I'm going to chop up English cucumber, got red onion, chop up some cabbage, that's the cruciferous portion. Some cruciferous. You can use kale, broccoli, cabbages, red cabbage. I really like to use red cabbage, you know, for contrast, no color, but lettuces with cruciferous vegetables just amps up the vitamin. Okay, then Roma tomato. I normally like my tomatoes up front. I'm going to go on and put my tomatoes in the center. That's where I like them. I like that red. Right, put the tomatoes here. I don't have much memory, so I'm trying to speed up. So what's that? All right, so we got that. Here are some chickpeas that I cooked. I soak my chickpeas overnight, rinse them a couple times, put them in the, what is that thing? What is that thing? Our Instant Pot. Cook them in the Instant Pot. So these aren't from the can. They're from they're not from the can, they are from dry. These are dry beans, okay? Okay, then you put some olives. Normally call them olives for Greek salad, but use what you have. Olives on here. And avocado. Fresh avocado. All right. Excuse me. This one's okay. I had one that was perfect this morning. Okay, so I'll just cut it in half. We're going to dice it. Hope everyone's doing well today. We're doing well, just taking care of things around the house here, tending to the garden, having a restful, peaceful Sunday. All right, so now my dressing, because I am watching my weight, watching blood sugar management, doing blood sugar management, all the things, okay? So, you see, there's no animal proteins. There's no animal products anywhere. So my dressing is going to be fresh lemon juice. Just don't mess up a whole bunch of dishes and stuff. Squeeze that lemon right on top there. Fresh oregano leaves. I mean, these are dry, but if you have oregano in your garden, oh, that would be great. Crush those bad boys up. Olive oil. probably about a teaspoon and some balsamic vinegar. Making a mess over here, guys. Just a minute. Okay, family, my Greek salad is finished. And I want a little more lemon juice on there. And a light dusting of salt. I don't care what nobody say. Even though I'm watching blood sugar, you need some salt. I am so sorry. Okay, so let me take a taste. Make sure my dressing is correct. Is made correctly. Yes, ma'am. I've had Greek salads in restaurants. This is it right here. The avocado. Let me finish eating first. I'll come back. Okay, guys, so here's my beautiful chickpea Greek salad. My lettuces from my hydroponic garden. Love it. Grows the best lettuces. Avocados. Dry chickpeas from dry beans, not from cans, so I can control the sodium. Roma tomatoes, have olives, red onions, and English cucumber, all on a bed of lettuce and some fresh cabbage, all right? So that's what we're working with. And these are the things we can cook or make from our garden. This is garden to table cooking this summer. So just want to share with you. There's two things I've been doing. I've been showing you guys how you can make meals, healthy meals without meat, but still get a lot of vitamins and protein. That's what this is about. And also harvesting and using your harvest in your cooking. All right, so you grow what you eat, all right? Thank you guys so much. I appreciate your support. And if you have any comments or suggestions or ideas, put them in the comment section. And if you like my vibe, if you're new here, if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the Tastemakers tribe. All right, see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.